is that we Regency Group, under Regency Group, we are doing 64 stores in GCC countries. We are having presence in Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. At the same time, we have some small stores in south part of India, Kerala also. Now we are having 250,000 customer a day into my floors and more than $1 billion turnover in a year. Having 6,300 employees with me in the different experienced categories. And our store size is varies from 1,000 square meter to 10,000 square meter from one place to another place. India, of course, the thing is that we have some stores in Kerala, as I told you. In Karnataka, already we signed a couple of properties. At the same time, we are moving into Telangana, Hyderabad also. We already met the officials of government. They are very supportive, and they are allotted the land for us to build the hypermarket concept in Hyderabad. Already they given IKEA as a foreign brand. They wish to have some more foreign brands over there. Yeah, we are planning more than 50 stores within a span of 4 years in the south part of India by concentrating. The speciality we are trying to bring is that the feel of the Gulf hypermarket, Gulf style of hypermarket, by concentrating into the fresh producers like F&B, detailed kitchen with ready-to-eat food, detailed bakery with the European products, and delicatessen, fishery, butchery. By including all this, make a sense feeling of a flavor of Gulf type of hypermarket. I am taking a sizable quantity of the product in the different category from India, especially F&B, fruit and vegetable, garments, light household. All the items I am taking from India from more than 1 decade. At the same time, we are exploring some opportunity to import some item from the different part of the world to India also, only to cater to our outlets, which is going to be. More than 150 to 200 vendors are there at present for us, for the food only. Apart from the food, for the non-food, like light household and garments from the different part of India, like Agra, Calcutta, Delhi, Bombay, especially for these gents garments, Bangalore. Back in Tirupur and Bangalore, we are having garments unit itself to manufacture the items to different countries, and we are taking these items through Bombay to our stores. Then this association will make win-win situation. For the Indian vendors, it will be getting lot of opportunity. At the same time, the Indian customers, we are introducing the different nationality products also to explore the international feel of purchase into the flow. I'm taking a month more than 500,000 kg of fruit and vegetable by flight. In the ship, I'm taking more than 10 containers a month, like this onion and all from Nasik. We are taking regularly. And we have put a huge warehouse in Nasik to cater this harvesting time. We'll be procuring and we are taking into the different Gulf countries. No, our biggest second largest sourcing market is in India. We are taking from different parts of the world like Turkey, Spain, Thailand, China, Indonesia. These all are 9 countries directly we are having presence of offices. Other countries we are taking from the agents. The thing is that in the initial 4 years, we are planning to have more than 700 crores of investment in India. At the same time, in the retail core business, at present we are not going for any investors and all. But in the real estate part, we may have some partners in location to location to develop the hypermarkets. Yes, then they will be facilitated for the hypermarket. The thing is, of course, the Gulf countries concerned, the most affected area, we do have 25 to 30% of drop in the sales, especially non-food. Since the commercial flights are not operating properly, the back home purchase and other things are postponed by the people. But by the grace of God, now it is picking up. Then that gap become 15 to 10%, 10 to 15% now. Then after this vaccination and all, it will be into normal. In my view, India is the largest potential country for the expansion of the food retail hypermarket. What we are planning to have is we want to concentrate more into India and African market, apart from the GCC. GCC, of course, still we are growing in all the countries. Then we are concentrating in India also. We are heading to 3 billion turnover company within a span of 4 years. Then we are going to expand in that level of a single umbrella for to have a retail hypermarket chain in the name of Grand Hypermarket.